what I may say, or nimi nyansa. One lacking the wisdom of God. Or you soon a certificate in nyansa, but one who Christo yes nyansa.
I didn't kiss him. Go Instagram, Jimmy. Obeko. Only part the phone and seen the name of now be chronographer. Yeah, I like. Jimmy pa Jimmy. Oh man,
so the moment now me share way first. Now me share na me gina. I share my hair now say me kuku me say nyina egu na me say no. Mama fa bibi share. Because of say osuru nyansa, Holy Spirit is talking to me. He's telling me that no, you cannot go out. Wa bra unufu ntem egu ho, inti wurogu ho. Na share bibi wa ase me wuro ye ebegu me ha, ebe kan me ha. E na me share bibi wa ase. Enti wo hu me nofo. Wo hu bibia, wo hu enso se first na mi nim Kristo nyansa, mi ni Kristo nyansa na. Ka me sha atade we di me nufu mato ho, na me de nam. Enso enfa me ho because I think say beautiful. Aba fashion. E na o ma ye nti ese me nso me ye. Edu mre bia ye mfa wiase nyansa ne nto ho. Obi a wo hwa me put down wiase nyansa any school nyansa no. Ene president bi wo wa or was a fear nyansa or was school nyansa. Better sense the one ni Kristo mu nyansa nti. Bible say e basa no wakwa akoye jimi for. Ene ye wo bi wo asabi wako school. Wa wie wa boni degree wa ye ne masters. Nanso because of say okuta asasi su certificate. Na won kuta wasuru nyansa. Kristo Yesu nyansa certificate nti. Oba abraba na he na ayense wonu monsa. Ayense won pemba. O waka akra na okoto bi aka ho. O we dan no wasi bi aka ho. O we no ye because walaki Kristo Yesu nyansa. Walaki Kristo Yesu nyansa. We need the wisdom of God. And the Bible no beka ye wo Bible quotations bebre. Ebeka ebekire ye nyansa. Why ne provide nyansa? Who provide the wisdom? Why na di nyansa ma? Kristo Yesu na di nyansa ma. Anasa why u teacher na o kire wade no. Professor no ono o kire wade no ono ma u nyansa na. Onu ni nyansa na we so ma na. Aware na wutim no. Unyansa na wodi timu ana anase Kristo Yesu nyansa na wodi timu enti ube nwo wa obu okuta asase su nyansa oba besia na ono ankasa akotena ho no wakoto nku no wa breaching himself because that person has lack the wisdom of God. Ti abasa niema bia woye bia no eye asase su niema na woye ebre bia twam na ma lack the wisdom of God. Enti niema tantan na me ye entokwa tantan na me ko ensamo ensase me di akire na me di akire because na ma lack the wisdom of God. The wisdom of God na ma lack sa wisdom no abra mi hu Yesu abra mi ne hu nkonkro bo mpuni mpuno me ya dia na wotime ka kire me or say when the spirit of the truth comes or say he will guide you into all the truth. He will never speak on his own. He will speak only when he hears. And things that are about to come. Things are babesi and obeka chero. Inti yan shosha wasuru nyansa. Wasi nyansa to ne pro. Wa fra yan tetekwa. Atetekwa ni obi a wonim Kristo. Obu a wasisi dan. Ai. Ure Ghana said ye binu modu am hu ya. Papa kwaku oten. Can you imagine? Wa nyansa. Wadi ni nyansa ne ya peteshi. Wadi ni nyansa ya don konsa. Wadi ni nyansa ya nsa emmema betimi anom no matimi ne mada. Or did the same nyansa na wale mabe se na yo se num because we lacking the wisdom of God. We lacking the wisdom of God. Obia wo nyame mu nyansa no. You will never sell something ever say obia brabo. You will never do anything that it will hurt somebody's life. Obia wo ni mu nyansa. Obia wo ni mu nyansa. E na abeye sa ade no. But who through nyansa, you will never do it. Because when you are thinking about giving alcohol to people, you think about your children, you think about yourself, you think about God. But when you lack those kind of things, then you use your own wisdom as assist wisdom. No, I don't know who use it. And then you may be kasa. Everybody share you know when you kesiye. The other wakuma subia was through nyankopon 1 year mount. Aye, me da wase. And let me say, yet montran to her and ne nyansa. We are coming to learn. Ye babies nya was through. Nyansa edi yebe call heaven. Excuse me. Nyansa edi yebe call heaven. Because we nim Kristo a. Wa bra bo mo bwanka sa sister. Enipa bebre wo mo nim Kristo. Woni Christo nyansa office wo you okay. Oh, I'm okay. I'm a succeeding in life. Sister, enya wo si dan ya na chese wo nyansa. Enya wo talkers na chese wo nyansa. Ai. Enchilasa. Bebre sisi hotels, bebre sisi banks, bebre sisi buildings bebre. Now because of said they don't have the wisdom. They lack the wisdom of God. Inti e basa sa ni pano. Ona ma said what is wo. Ai, what the near future was say ya. Wo man say baby a walk on or walk ready or anything for. Or to say kraman so cry de niate. Sa nkonfo na ya mi hu aboa. Me de o to say nkrane maame. Nkrane man wo ni ani. Inti wo kwa no anse wo pimpim say ya me say Papa kwaku oten wa lucky Christo munyansa ya wo president for bebre ni former president for bebre wo ma lucky Christo munyansa na nka president see Assemblies of God I saw them wa lucky Christo munyansa enti wo yire obefa ne yire che akwa ntoto fefe for ma akwato dan ni ade ade amamo na nani magu ase wo nyansa there's no way say a married man what they will phone ebe mempena timiafa atesi umpena the messages di amano because they lack the wisdom of God. They are using the wisdom that the professor gave them, the teachers gave them, this earth gave them, but they lack the wisdom from God. Don't lack the wisdom of God. Do not lack it. Because if you lack the wisdom of God, your end will be a very miserable. Obiako school, wa both degree, okuta diploma, or your friend a doctor. Nansu because of say, one lucky Christo yesu nyansenti. Owa yire, owa mpena. Ne yire ba konsono. Ne yire no mienu nsono. Ne yire no miansa nsono. Ne yire no mo nine ensono. Ne yire no mo num ensono. Empena fo ni omo bede da mo 20 million, 30 million, no kra de bobogo. Esu okuta prof, oya de professor. Oya doctor, or the doctor atono so. Obi a wo Kristo Yesu munyansa. Won kwatena ba bi nkwankwa ya petesi se nipa no momboro. Won kwankwa yansa ebema mlanti a ewo kuro no nyina ada ne yakowensafo. Ene wo my Ghana. Okwa wa unwa branti a wanya 30 years, 25 years. Na nim si egu nyina tutu, ne si egu na num nyina tutu. Ade pa ye no kuro. Abrantia, mi ankasa mi classmate bi a me ni ko school. Wanom nsam wawu. Onom nsam onya liver problem wawu. Enne enipa bo nsanom ho dawuro. Enipa ye nsa. But yet no, they have a omukutekuta certificate akesia, doctors akesia. Omuma kuko school. But they don't give the alcohol to their children to drink. But they are giving to public. They are selling the alcohol to destroy innocent soul. Bisa me says, sadly pano. They have wisdom. They have wisdom how to make money. They have wisdom how to marry 10 wives, 5 wives, 6 wives. How to sleep with every woman in a skirt. Everything they see in a skirt. But they lack the wisdom from God. If you have a wisdom that comes from God, when you are doing something wrong to somebody, you think about everything. You think about, then Bible say, Bible say, thou shalt not bear a false witness. Bible say, thou shalt not commit adultery. Bible say, thou shalt not steal. Bible say, thou shalt not do this. Now they are two. Any power when him Christo. Or be a warning Christo be or ya dear harmon and young one. They don't think about nothing because they don't know Christ. To us, mammy, or papa. Yes, Proverbs chapter 10:13. Proverbs 10:13. I say, move for a woman, I will yansa. Or say, a move for enum and a woman yansa. A move for enum any yansa. It's your neck. Who will say, Ababawa, young girl, young lady. Or say, me, metna a bre party. And you me change it 1, 2, 3 woman. Men will follow me. I'm gonna get everything that I want. Men will, they will come like, they will come a lot. When you go here, they will call you. When you pass by, they will call you. When you sleep, they will call you. When you do this, it's here now, baby, to me, call bonnie pedria de ja, or call public, baby, yes to me, public pool, no, of course, to know her. Or in the name of say, she wants somebody to sleep with her and pay her and give her money. Because they lack the wisdom from God. Obi beti mi sorry. Obekwa akoton ade. Wo ton ade didi obeto nyonko ba so say, I'm not going to suffer myself. I got something. God has given me a power. God has given me a property. So I have to use it. A friend of mine told me, oh, you got to use what you have to. I say, you got to use what you have to get what you want. Missy, really? You have to use what you have to get what you want? So what do you have? I say, I got this. Not in Saturday. Missy, bravo. Keep on using it. A day will come, that thing that you are using, no, that machine, no, will get tired. We lack wisdom. We lack wisdom. Mama, we lack wisdom. We need the wisdom that comes from God. If you have wisdom that comes from God, my dear, you have everything. Nyansa, what the nyansa be wale? What the nyansa be titoma? What the nyansa be yejuma? What the nyansa be kwa sorry? What the nyansa be sumiame? Because you have the wisdom that comes from God. So everything that you are doing become a wisdom. The flow in Shiraba. And you'll be always kebiano or wisdom. Majority have money. Hey, missing I know them because I've been with them and I know them. Oh my ndrobone, ton cocaine, and yesika. SCC radio stations in here. And you are cast in your major party useless because they lack the wisdom of God. They lack it. They don't have it. If you were Nyamian son, one federal bonnet sa brantia na papa penny movie or one mahu. Emma confirm minute and good him. One Nyansa, one slow number for a West Yen hair. Yes, East Legon, my ass. East Legon, in penny for by enemy took it to Arno. And no bonnet because they lack the wisdom of God. They think all their wisdom that they have is money, 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 money. Sleeping with women, buying a plane ticket, buying this for girls. Or Gucci, or Versace, or wine, cars I can see, wine, Prada, Tadia can see, perfume I can see, and what the mama. All in the name of say, we're lacking wisdom that comes from God. They don't have wisdom. It's me. Who is Sikanina say who wisdom and I'm respectful. Now to Ghana Sikafon bebre. They have money but they lack the wisdom of God. What's in abano efata will be a one need to nachi. Enti me bow machi. Me say Ghana and penifon bebre what they are useless. They are useless. Into behuno. Of course school are not and how bebo chrono. Okurani certificate. Not and sani or the bebo chrono. Enti kawa my Ghana. Kasani Ghana when yamia shirayan. For Ghana, fatu to Israel. When you mean slow, my Ghana, you will cocoa, you will magnesium, you will bauxite, you will diamond, you will gold. Shaniama, oh my Ghana, and Swiss president for ne better. They lack the wisdom of God. Kwame Nkrumah betna so ekofa kankan nyame free Egypt. Wakofa bosom free Zeman or the betna akunya no so. Or the betna akunya no so. Kwame Nkrumah Wakofa kankan nyame bosom and or the betna o man so. President Kofoa betna so onunso kodani Freemason onunso dia bosom occult secret society said yen and or the bae. Ya papa Kofoa don so aba. Oso wakwa asole nanso mu ankasa mo hwe enne wo be me Bible chira me ni nkrata me benye me be wo ye na me ni nkrata. We call something charity care. It care for me. It provide all my hospital care, all my hospital needs, everything that I need, including my dentist. It provided mommy, including the baby milk, everything. Yeah, they make her wake, make her jiji cause everything that I want, they provide for me because the system is working. A doom rebi and penny the book munyansa na to work akra. No more so. Christo nyansa no so. Say yeah, we should care for needy. We should do this. We should do this. Until kind prophets now. Well, say you have to be a president. A president that you can care for everybody. A president. Be a president. A strong president for needy and poor. But now we don't have it. President it so. No one, yeah, or yeah, vice president to crown on koto play ni baby abu on koto mla no one kasa so de sika wo de to so kra bro ade na wo kwa koto no. Wait, do we have wisdom? Mama, you show wisdom that comes from God. Don't seek for wisdom that comes from somebody. Kuranim dear enyansafo e kuranim dear America ha COVID bae no omoma sika $1,000, 1,002, over 1,002, 1,002. Ukutankwala nanya, ni ya kabom, ni ya diabrao. Ukutankwala nsia kura ya de bebrao. Ukutankwala 10 ya ma obi 1000 2002 a. Hwesika abedwiri di agu o. Nanso shawaman Ghana. Shawaman Ghana. Shawaman Ghana. Esu ye wokoko ya magnesium. Oh, eniema ne boarding na. Onyankopon kura sign de oil abeka. Ese de akuro na tete. And the politicians in Atia Galamse so they don't care so beto Galamse or the Amuna beto now be Babako Gumnani Panibewu. Way ye on my I name Christo. Yes, Ghana Yasum Dear, my Ghana Yasum Dear, my dear. Told you, Ghana Yasum Dear. Jimmy for Anno, a boy, a bang. What's what the four and when you're dear, any day. Shasania, or my Ghana, Yakutesika, I said, your Ghana, you was sika. Yawo koko, yawo oil, yawo gold, yawo diamond. Politicians if 4 to gold. Almost saying you no ma this year, chroma this year. They don't think about Obia. Obi kwa kai si we muade. Madam, Ghana maina ya timu no. Obia livu najune. Missy Kwabeti by me man nine. Omo kan check ibo mu de breme. Akwara ba ku bia 1002 me ne memma ye 5200. Omo de breme. Kwabeti by Trump ma ye bi. Papa Biden abema ye bi. Oh my Ghana. Oh pin for me and my sister na chidi baneme. Adepa my sister na chidi baneme. Wa sorry o. O se ne ho mfa no. Okọ hospital ye se mpenny ho. Ne ya de minua na to fam. Obi a wanya pneumonia ne ya sign de na to fam. Ade a chi na my sister no mkoto mattress ne ade ekọ ho a. Ye ko ya my sister ye se unua na wu. Me and my sister na chidi baneme. Wa waja nkwala mi yansa 3 girls. We wager 3 girls. Essence penifo na edi o man so no. Bebre o malaki nyansa, wisdom o malaki. Di omo dina ne se dia, wo be chiri be ma, e dia kwase se bia ponche, e dia kope ma. Dia wadina ne se, o be to dan dia ma. And the Ghana for ma bebre adani ya 22 for, adani ya kwa snampa for. They don't think about nobody. Inti abaya kitu ebno jina ho. Abaya kete. No janu odi atem. No nam. Onam Dubai. No onam ha. Because em penifo na bobotro nikito omo no. Omo ye kwa snampa for ye kwa shifua. They don't think about nobody in that country. They are selfish, they are greedy, they don't care about nobody. They care about how they will sleep with women. That is what they care. They don't care about nobody. They don't care about nobody. They care about themselves. Because they lack the wisdom. If you have the wisdom that comes from God, if you are using the wisdom that God has gave you, when you're doing something to somebody, you think about twice. You think twice. Obviously, me ya doctor. Me diane say me yansa. Upon all the doctorate degree ne kutano. Me diane say obeyansa. I don't concern. Obeyansa kese ne ye wo nsa. Inti hu Ghana abremesia 13 years, 20 years. Na ne sie egu na num nyina tutu. One ne gaza, asia. Oh yawa ma. Eh na, insabara bai. Sister, obara bai. Sister de pa. If I turn about a yes, mommy. Oh, bad a bay. Who think crying? No, Sunday, then I buy. Hey, now, but no, be out here. Now, one can answer who owns a man. And Santi, what name say at the power cry, and Santi, or say as or the beside the pastor, or one cry and answer one's a man. Me classmate fufu yin bebre wu bebre ayemrewa obi ono fro video na hu na wusu ene Ghana dia ye bo ho dawuro eyensa how to sleep with women ensa be ma oba memo ye den ensa e dia dwaman ba ensa de niam aboni nyina ba ensa and na baya 15 years 12 years no start Birichi from Birichi no start Ashawo ni mini skirt because em penifo na e di o man so no and penifo na edi o man so no they lack marriage. My sister, because they lack knowledge. Omu ni nyansa omu yina ye wiase nyansa, but they don't know, they don't have the wisdom that comes from God. They don't have it. Omu de eno ato ho. Wasi mobrofo ebuo anywhere here. Nipa no a woye president, woye MP, woye minister no. If they think about God wisdom, they will think about a handful. They will think about poor people. They will think about needing. They will think about widows. But they don't think. And then, Odipa, Onyesika no ye cocaine na ebu omoswa. Now you almost say because of say menyesika ma ye bone na mde yesika ntino. Let me go and do donation. No akoto nuan ntoma na dia no mo de mekunafo. Na de sika ba, na de nkokọ. Enkokọ. No de manipa. Ade na win school. Now with your school no fit teacher for nkyran kwala ade. Without taking money from the parent. Don't buy enkokọ. Men turn to man farmer widows every year bia. Don't use your useless money no. Sika boni no. Ma jeno, ma ye. Endro boni sika no. Mo dia to cars akese e. E de asisi dan akese no. E toton sase. E di ahiafo nsase. Me se me ba mo so se mu behu. Boni kumi. Ase onipa wo yetini ni no. Wonipa na wo yetini ni. Na wan ni wotini ni. Wotini ni no obi a wo nyame mu nyansa. Obi a wo so obi a wo nyame mu nyansa bia wo suro nyame. Adepa repeat wo ma me ya me de papa. Wose wotini ni. Otini ni adeye mankwa. Wo bia wo yetini ni no. Na de bia wo ye bia manipa nkwa. Obi yale kura na sense bra na yatini ni nti. Wotimi yi sika free no boto onye ahumobro. Empathy, spirit of empathy. No dia manipa no. Na nipa na ko hospital no akore no. Enti papa, samu wo Kristo Yesu munyansa. Mumfa niema mankofo sign into ho. Na mun use the wisdom of God no. Mun use the wisdom of God. Men tondru bone mankofo nsai. Na men kese wo yesikeni. Don't call yourself a millionaire. Answer. Essence ye was asisu nyansenti. Ena na de perchrem na de panya minshira. Obi timika se me feel se me ya obema. Oba no akwa akotu na ekohie kuma na firi ho. Ne ye de bema de atu ya ho ama no. Nyansa wuninti. Wunim say yes, bleaching cream will cause a skin cancer. Everyone who use a bleaching cream, no, it can cause a skin cancer. But because of say what lacking the wisdom that come from God, who need Christo mu yansa, who need Christo nti. Obi a wo se unim Christo a wo read the Bible. A wo be kwa akoto bleaching cream bia bleach skin no. Now one cause I don't know the mind they kita. You are foolish. Obi say I am in the atem. You don't know Christ. Unim Christ na wo som no na. Once san dia bia wo ni pedua ho da because who appreciate the Awurade dia ma wo. Me se me ni Awurade. Na makwa akoto nkum, na ma brichi me ho. Na ma te mani achi mi nyina ato agu. Na makwa sesa me no fo, na ma sesa me to. Me say yes, minim Kristo. What kind of Kristo be na minim no? Asase so nyansa na me use. Ena asase so din omo boye say Yesu na me bo ni din ni bi. But se wo suru Yesu Kristo na wo suru na obewu ye. Na wo sanya ba bebu atiasefo na yewufu atan no. Enye wo no na wodim no ton. Me say obi a wo se wonim ye wo Yesu mu nyansa. A wo use Bible. Edi preaching the word of God. Na wo preach wo skin bia no. You are a lost soul. When you cry, why jira? Unimno. You don't know him. Nyansa. What lacking the wisdom of God? And then we look at what the world is doing. Yes, or baby shot idea. And I make a sister to say first, I mean him Christo Nyansana. Katadia we yes, I mean come in say ina, mean she be was yet. Me de me koko na ba to what me chain ye waka krama na chain aba no for ntem. Na so san se nyansa a Christo di adom minti. Me shot idea na me say eh wana me wro ye. E na me kwahye bibi was ye. Me sha dia was ye. E na dia na kata me no fo. Me no fo ntem akata ho. Yensua Kristo Yesu mu na nyansa. Ni yemfa asase su nyansa no nto oma asase su animdiefo no. Omo be fa nimdie yina wa asase su no. We should leave everything for them. Tewa ho. Osofo bi wa okura na onim nyansa. Intintete ya wode kira asole mani yina ne say one year dom na ope on peso because we nim Kristo Yesu munyansa asafubia na ubekwa ema eguma hihye artificial nails ema eguma brichi ema eguma hye trouser ema eguma ti omani wiane achi wi ema hye trouser na digina wode to nwom enya asafu Kristo Yesu tim enya asafu Yesu Kristo wotim Kristo tim wonte sa asole no mu yen jalu na nyamesom wa akomam ni yen seek the wisdom of God ya lack the wisdom nti ama ya brabo nyina eto abrabo tantan ye denam nti eno oba besia bon ho adagya no ode ti aso dem oba besia okwo no wote wa oni shugudu budu unim difference ewom wa sawe ge ten wa sese ne mori the sese bibayifo no ode ti nyame fie wa brichi no sister brichi ama de pa wotimi so obi a brichi ama ne honam nyina papa yet ode ti nyankopon fie what lucky wisdom a big school a degree no more the ayensa na manfo autonom I don't concern and say where you winya 18 years I won't useless people. Why don't you give it to your children to drink? Omo testing sa no mo de fan kwala e de wale nkwala o wale baako wa wale mienu wa wale miensa wa wale nine na wa wale num na wa saying kwafo na president to mine so Ghana maba woni mrantie bebrada na 22 ni asawofo akwensafo na mani age na no na mehwe na wo ma ye nsa bi o mo bohu dawuro na de pa maami bia emekuofo maami emekuo ni woman bia wakwa asole a wo ba na ye chensa na maami atene ne nsa na waje nsa bottle we wose wakwa asole we wose wakwa asole o we ya metirimu we o Yesu Kristo Davida o wo Kristo munyansa o appreciate dia papa ne dia ma o do dia papa ne do dia wotan no wuchi ene ye buwiase anyansafo ese Kristo manyansafo asofo bebre ni Kristo munyansa asase su nyansa how obesia ye obi 419 how obezan obi how obe fabricate asem how obe boni tirima kan asem ma obeji adi na waka kire wo fa dress bra na de ko fa handkerchief bra men fa dress for me pedada na we ya foolish Christian na wonim Kristo nti wonni Kristo munyansa nti no aso a dress dada underwear dada boxer short dada o picture na odi akoma no e de na wode kwaye wo Yesu munyansa nka be ka kire wo se emfiri nyame emfiri nyankopon ya lake Kristo Yesu munyansa ya hwehwe wo soro nyansa ade pampa cho kan we ma me wate kan Proverbs chapter 2 verse 10 or say when wisdom entering into their hearts kan mame wisdom ya lacking wisdom no we don't have a wisdom majority of us are shameless people shameless Christians and then you bunkofu e wosika billionaires we millionaire club we is legon landlord for they are nobody. They think about themselves. They are selfish. Lack of knowledge. My people perish. Lack of knowledge. Nyansa ni yadi atuoi. Osi nyansa si nipro. Wa friend tete kwa asa mumra miyendidi. Na sa uhu ofikura uhobete. Yadi ya pese yentine finemu. We are not ready to move an inch. Oko kaya sister ni odi atem. Bible sema kwa siya. Huse waye kwa siya. Nuwa mburu se niya waye no watene. Na a software share software ni bi mo pesika ye nyame adwuma na makọ omo ya adonko nsa omo tonsa ho na makọ ne ya mamusika aw ewrade hu ya mobo wo se wo nyansa no be ma wayi nyansa be yi wafi oba na nafo nsem oba wo kan ode na no kan adokodoko de nsem wa ede ananani ba asawoni prostitute no papa se woni mi nyansa be yi wa frisa wo ba ni nsem ti wo nkonko wale no nyansa be man ba ye na woni be man no wo hwe ne TikTok how our dress ne Versace belt bi a wobo ne Versace shoe bi ehye no ne Versace shirt bi ehye no oba ya no wagina wa tu ubi a open man obedi di ba ku mienu ade be chena ne dampa so because of say one lack the knowledge no wisdom no wager wisdom no who the wisdom ato nchen. You have thrown the wisdom away and I will use one kasa asasi su nyansa no na ode ye bone e basa Satan will help you o se koton ku birichi no wa birichi. Oh, kwana kwaya life possession, no acquire life possession. Kwaya onofo, no acquire onofo. Kwaya oton, no acquire oton. Kosisha o marry, no asisha o marry se jata. Sa na wiase nyansa de ma o. Eniema ekoso nyina no menka se wiase nyansa niema ekoso nyina no. Nipa ne yes sister we hwe. At the person say yo yes smart pa, wo yes smart papa. Enye no. Obi a wo yes smart ni obi a wonim Kristo. You are not smart. Eye mpetesi man nkofo ton no. Nkofo nom no. Ene kire se we smart. Wonya smart. I say mama. And a man too. A man so sa. Wo hia wo ba na woni mo ba no. Wo hwe wo ba ni miniskirt ni sire mu anu atu ata no. Eh sister de ba. Obapa, na ho te say. Me pa cho mani je ho pa wo okunu.
Baby.
Uni kunu. Enie obese. Da me da ya so na abem. Ma bo ho mpa pa. Ni yame aka chem se wo ye me yire. Wono be mane be pe wo no wadenti. O si nyame se wo ye ne yire. Na because of say won so wonni nyansenti. No wabie obie ne puna no wakowuram. Ade e be che no wada. HIV no de amount, babaso no de amount, syphilis no de amount, gonorrhea ne sa ne nyina no aso no de amount, ninsen no de amount. Woyim wia na akoka kire na obekire wo say hey. Wo oba cheap oba te say wo amihia o, wa mama nkan mre. Because of say wo nim yansa. O hia na wo so opel no. Wa ko disco be ma hia wo disco. O si opel. Wo ma on pae. Wo be yansa ni kura de okwede wo disco. Oba wonim Kristo. Wo kwede wo disco na se. Disco e ho de pe Kristo ni be ma. Ana ko fa pimpifo ni bia ba be sakra omo. Adepe kind Proverbs chapter 10 verse 9. Proverbs 9:10. Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10.
Proverbs 9:10. I said, Nyansan fitianse na erade furu. Na okonkro ne no honim de ne nhumu.
O si nyansan fitianse eni nyamsuru.
Wonna bedoso.
Yetio.
Okay, o si nyansan fitianse na erade furu. Na okonkro ne no honim de ne nhumu.
Nyansan fitianse eni nyamsuru. Nyansan fitianse nyina no eni ni the fear of God. Sister, you Kristo wate. You Kristo. Unye rade, untimi fa rade nto na wo wa brabo. Proverbs 2 verse 6 be ka tro. O se rade Nyankopon firi nanum e na odi nyansama. Betene ye di nyame nyansa na to ho. Ne yankase ye kura ye asase su nyansa ne ye de nam. Asase su nyansa ma obi akọ prison. Ana nkense se woko. Asase nyansa ama obi ko jail. Ah ense se woko sister. Asase su nyansa ama ye bua obi kumfo. Ye bua ye de na to dead row so ye kuno. Asase su nyansa nti. Posida benyara e na mo entete kwa mo bepe atete kwa samara ade akwa akosi. Sister, da be na obe yusu asase su nyansa no. Bra, da be na obe yusu asase su nyansa no. Twaso. Adepe Proverbs chapter 122.
But I want American.
Can't come me wada room. Pacho yeti o.
tetekwa mo bepe ntetekwa asema kosie na afeodifo bepe won pewdie na nkwasiafo akiri nimdie
enkwasiafo bekiri nimdie enkwasiafo afeodifo obi wo wa na yesi ye common sense family na Kristo ni wo why ni Kristo nyame bia ni wo everything nature everything nyame aboye use your brain na fa build a school use your brain na fa ye adwuma use your brain using those kind of brain without the brain of God without the wisdom no you don't have nothing awale akura se wan fa Kristo mu Yesu Kristo Yesu nyansa ankwa wale a adeba wale na be so Mama yensua nyansa. Yensiki the wisdom enfri nyankopon ho. Ka kire Awurade say Awurade ma bre me de ma ho odin aye I am tired. I need you. Ka kire Awurade. Me de nyansa aye niam bebre o. E me disappoint me. Ene me dwane akọ Kristo ho. Ene me dwane akọ Kristo ho. Sem nua no ho asem no. Eye nkwase asem e ma omo omayira. Asem dua no ho asem no wanhu nsem aye kan eye kwase asem so kura ma obi asem dua no ho asem no o se eye nkwase asem e ma omo a omayira obi betimi aka akere wo obi wo preach no oh e wom se nipa de wo fuma obi be ka akere so Eastern pacha e bia insult ne ade na ya no wato bo ase e ya no wayi afrim e nyansa kasa ne wo de aba no. But you will be so say, sister, you don't have a right to say Obeka way. Who need right to say Obeka way? Who need right to say Obeka actually be say or kwasia? Bible say ma kwasia we say why kwasia o ton. No one tell one ya why home. Me say, me can susu pain. A wise person will never do something to harm somebody. Dr. Kwaku Aten, he is not a wise person. Onya wise, onya nyansani. Me come boni din. Onyansani bia ni wa obeyansa e dey say onyankopon ma onyansani bia ni wo enne ye yusu wiase nyansa obi tenase ya no wo yetu amankofo se monton obi tenase no wo ye wi afuo na nkofo ote no wo de mankofo na o mo to osofo timi tenase woni mi nyansa na wo foolish Christian wo so woni mi nyansa nti wo se fa address bra no wa chechere dress no wo de agu adem na ade akoma no we obi a oni mi nyansa we obi a oni mi nyansa mo pasem surasem nyansa sam efi nyankopon o se pale mi se medrodo asem no ho pale mi se mehwe ni panim Dr. Kwaku Aten me say oni mi nyansa one lacking the wisdom of God or you soon a certificate in nyansa but one hwehwe Kristo Yesu mu nyansa Shensan etwa papa ehu ahia. Shensan manfo nom. Shensan ekuma manfo. And the liver disease, kidney disease, a boo. But they don't use their money to help nobody. They don't use their money to help nobody. Ube yusu sikaya, ube ya peteshi nsa aton dia manfo no manom asai. Now did the same sikalo kosi hospital kura na you are useless. Mfa so bia kura ni so adepa me metu amakobo kro no na me de kro no sika no bi kosi dan e di nyanka koguma adepa eso nyame ani adepa enso nyame ani enso nyame ani because e kwan na me fa so no Bible say e kwan bi wo wa etene wo nipa ni so nanso na wie na ye wuo ma fa kwan bone so na mekobu nkofo agi sika akotondru bone e dia ma amanfo ma omanom FM stations fo mpanimfo bebre wo Ghana omasisi FM station amanfo oboje omoso sebi omugya omonan kra na omunya yanka ye de camera beto omoso motondru bone e dia ma amanfo matondru bone e dia ma amanfo ma sei amanfo ma bi agu amanfo ma bi da jail me a madam for New York. Madam for sister bi New York. Ne papa. Na dan for papa ne man bia or FM station. E wo Ghana FM stations nya ba ko. A wo je ne ho mana. E je ne ho mana de obey bia say yemfa camera nto no so. Wo kire madam for ne papa ha wa won ton dru boni ni bi. Odo di ade pa kwa we nya lucky o. Ene ye do ano. Ene madam fo no papa dem. Ene wadem. Mo tondu bone se ya manfo. Mo ye nsen se ya manfo. Mo de musika tantan ne musika fino ene wale nkwala. Ene nkwala de da ma funu se obi amububu ntasuo ton. Ma funu se obi amububu ntasuo ton. Ena mo se ya manfo. Ena mo di sika me ma politicians. Ti mo ya ade na enya kura ye nka. Politicians no enne yesi galamse nye. Enso no mu anka say tu galamse ni bi. Ahemfu tu galamse, politicians tu galamse. Eno ekuro na say deja. Amona no mu tu wi a. Omu ni nyansa say me yenka ahwea. Ya na yenko fa abo megu amona ni mu nsi amona ni mpo. No mo tu no mo di ato ho say gbaja. Na no galamse na adwiri na nkofo be say 30 na adepa ekoma mu nyina. Ye tutu yi omo no omawuwu. And omu tu galamse na gold no. Ema politicians inye sika, ahemfu inye sika. And omu anka so omu tu gold no. Omu ba kakra bi ane apedi ama omu. Di obedienti obekọ. Di obedienti ase etwa se wonko. Oko kan, yes sister menka. Sister we di odi atem, ena sister we di o ese. Enne Ghana manya wonyame ahira ye no. Ghana na ya Africa nyina ani. Enne Ghana nyina akwa ya Africa nyina ato. Because of we lack the knowledge from God. In the Ghana, who bisa akwala 12 years kura, akwala 5 years kura bisa say we your friends say, or say ya donko, we your friend adonko. Yeah, they will say ya nom. Ya nom. Ya nom. Where you are mine? Me bucket wa when you 4 years when you 5 years or 6 years na menene kasa na me bisa say Jeffrey, what is going on? Or says uncle. No, say what happened to uncle? Uncle but I don't call. Are the person what? Uncle but I don't call. No, say uncle but I don't call. What is I don't call? I say, I don't know. Benjamin is here. Benjamin can tell you because I don't know. What I know is I don't call. And I'm saying, Benjamin, Mama no unkasa. Kwa benedi ani I don't call. I say, ma, I don't call nsa. Now I'm say, hey! And I will fa koto. I say, yes. Now I'm say, good. And I'm a teto me braso. So jina wanka mi miya ne mini kunu. I don't call. Akola of Yamreka Heko Ghana. Well, what no or say uncle, but I don't call. Where you crow? Where a crow? Missy by the next 10 years, and it's a Christo yes, wa ma Ghana be ya west as in Sodom and Gomorrah. Mina me catch them. Because we lack the knowledge. We lack the knowledge. Inti akola ketwa 6 years yes was saying who kuno. Nurse ni kwa adwuma bo ne yakuno ne yatwe ne ho moja. School ni ne yatwe ne ho moja ne ye ade asen ye de ade na asen se ono ana asen ne ho. We ya brabo Ghana mayen kano kure empenifu a wo mu nka no kure ministers nka no kure MP4 nka no kure politicians nka no kure ahemfu a wo mu nka no kure judges nka no kure. Adepa, can you imagine, say, 2 years in eBay? Now will be Thomas as $27,000. Agent and a bomb, and let them see, okay, metal. Medisi kanami kunu kwa Ghana. Eno koe. Medisi kanu to Mrs. account because you see why a citizen in T. On to me Ghana account unless okuta Ghana ID or Ghana whatever. Tina some fast can to my sister account. Sika kwada my sister account to my ma mene say it's a free dan here. Minimi kuna sam no court nti. Said ya court to abu awie no. O say me balance me kunu nti me pay $2,000 wo sika no so. E de ama me e de akoko to akoko medie no ho abalance mi kunu yesi ni kunu no ma papa ne 70% ana papa ne mama me 30% wo a wo betimi aton no na mama ne nya obi a wato ni sika kese adepa asemi ko ya mama ji $2,000 ni wie ya me sister no ko court ho and mama ne wo lawyer nso o omo ko lawyer na lawyer ne ka bibia de kire me sister ne me kunu ne me bra no na che say genuine ewi a kire no omo ko court ho a asem bia kura ni court ajaji asem no kura de ama papa ne say the woman don't have a right so beben baby asase no wokura osi ho a omo nche no mama na jimi sika edi sika no so me de mama sister na me sister de ma no one me sister ya agreement e wo sika no so nurse say ye report to police me sister report to ye kwache mama ni di mu 6 million old currency no de buy ya che no na ye de asem na court police ni na ye friend Nicholas a wo so otiom police station ne say ya be ya nenam siniko wo de ya wo je ma me sister me ya me che 20 million nti asem no fa court men jai no menka fa court na buy ni ndi asem adepa because of say bra ni bisam say me fa 20 million emre no nam se na de no fa court kura den nam di sika ne bra o Jimmy sister sika ma no 100 million teacher ni sika me kan se won fam sika mama no we ko ni sika da bank dia asen me e dia aka ho asen me okuruma because of sika na yan fa nkonti adepa can you imagine say me anoma amutie me Nicholas ko court ko ka kire judge ne say judge ni njai maame no wonko ne sika ne nya me sister dia sika ne ye mimi Frida mimi sika na meme de chair maame no kura minim no se wo ye tuntum se wo ye kokko minim no Nicholas na wo so otiom police station wa wutie kona ko ka kire no Nicholas yo wo so otiom police station eye se minim nimpo minim na minim no chocho mutwa me ko hokko si ne niam ya aduane ma no e wo doko police station because of say mankind 20 million na ma Nicholas waje me sister 6 million or 7 million say eno no dey fa ka akwache maame no me sister tua na watimi akogina adaka maka kire judge no I was friends abekala pass magistrate court na Nicholas police ni ko hwini age bribe na waje 6 point something na so di wo 20 million aka ho e ma manfa nkonti make us any ma wo akola we fufuro manfa sika na maninti okogina wo ma judge ni ba a useless woman ono nso di Nicholas di ye e ma dia me sister kan di asesika no sika no ye mi sika me anam de mama me no agreement ni ye me ne mama ne ya agreement enie judge ne say I believe Nicholas o sika na nya wo dia e ma o se me sister ya mo kana asemi me sister kura woni America oni Ghana o America wa wo fofrompo na Nicholas say ai Frida is not here but the money belongs to Frida judge ni nyansa adwene bi nwene say agreement people here kitam ya maame ya sign me Selena nso asign e kire say sankofo we mienu na omo ya agreement no Frida has nothing to do with this prosecutor na cancel ni bia ka kire judge and said no my lord the money no doesn't belongs to Frida the money belongs to Selena because the agreement and everything show that the money belongs to Selena judge na nje antum said the Nicholas no ono a woye de oye CID no be kan ye no ono na woje adi en na waje adi e mama me no judge ni na owo abeka me se sa mama me no me mafia ni bia me de nanum nsa beba begu abonten judge ni eje bribe fi mama me ne ho e mama me no e ma Nicholas sika e ma ndekọ ma judge ni no inti judge na ndi asem na mama sister e mama me na fa $2,000 100 million wa fa edi enti ya kase nipa bi kita asase su nyansa na so omu nim Kristo nyansa ma me ne yo bi onim Kristo nyansa adepa nko be yesa enka obe yesa ka wonye da but because of say oni Kristo mu nyansa nti judge ni bua ma me ne say ma me ne nko on fasika no ma me ne se Frida na de che me Frida kra na catch am so was send me 100 million to memfa Prosecutor me say wonim Frida. O se o mi nim no but say me ne kasa phone so no de che me. Mr. Nicholas Krena, Mr. Nicholas Akam. When we said the nipa bitie. Wicked nation, Ghana mine. Adani ama fonso. E tro na na di hene wo Ghana. Na nka judge betimi ade aponche. Eja ide bonye ni. Obi akoya bone no. Ne ye de ne ko judge wo no de aponche. Aponche ye nam kaka ya we. No de akoma judge na judge aja nipa no. Ne ye de innocent soul. Ne ye de na kwa akoto jail. Ahun say ne tie. They lack the wisdom. Me say, sama me judge no. Na wonim. Say mama me sister monitor me. Me sister taking it. Me mama sister eko ho. Me bra eko ho. Pe na esha me brother tirimu no. Na ye camera so na mama ni nim. Na judge ni nim. Asema eko so nyina. Omo record me say one day me be sipon ma bo judge na num nsam. Ene the verdict nyina. Owa beka la magistrate court. Say sa na ebu asem. Obi abu obi age ni sika. Evidence nyina kire se maame na bu nipa no woni asase ne nya ne dia maame ne kru na nkasa kra na ne ne yede ne twuma nso ne judge maame mbra court ho ka kire prosecutor say mo maame mbra court ho na me media das ye say pipa na maame ne kita asase ne ye ne dia nyina eye fake no wakwa akoye ne lawyer one ne lawyer enim hu bi eye fake me na mkito original pipa ti maame no to asase ma obi enye ye such a criminal ye ja no na because of 20 million ti Nicholas say man fa 20 million number. Nicholas indumo se hwan wo so tuom police station. Nicholas wo ho. Ono no sia se wo ye prosecutor or ye detective. Nicholas. O wo so tuom wa person kan jam person wonte. E wanam sie sika na me sister kwose ne ye so wo de kwa akwachi nipa no. Kana wo say ni Mrs. sika na me sister. Onim se ni na ne ye gi for evidence. Wan se ne wiase Ghana eko. Wan se ne wiase eko. Enipa bebre kita wiase mu nimdie, beti yenkuta Kristo mu nimdie. Enipa bebre kita wiase mu nimdie, beti yenkita Kristo mu nimdie. Brane ba be kwa wie ya, nimdie be doso. Sa nimdie na be doso ni nye Kristo mu nimdie. Eye nyansa nimdie a Satan na provide ma yen. Usku na dem awo nti ubekọ school no akọ akọ degree na wagya wo yere no wakofa aba ya aketoa ubekọ school wa degree wasi fie air condition papa bi wom na wawurawura wo ka mu na wakọ akola aketoa bi asukọ no ma bi dem papa dan bi a air condition nim no akọ dem no ni aba ya akoda ofa ne yire chi no ne ofa ne yire chi no ni obi akọ eno no nyansa na ekura ne professor say degree na ekura no eye Kristo mu degree ana say school for qualification degree na kita no hwehwe Kristo mu nyansa
adede nkizam ko hwe Instagram jimiye obeko onipa de phone esi nanim atwade now be chronographer I like Jimmy pa Jimmy